Do you have a tech-free bedroom? Do you feel that your bedroom is a sanctuary that encourages restful sleep? If not, then keep watching. I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. Today, I'm talking about what you can do to optimize your sleep by changing your sleeping environment. I've got 5 tips to improve your sleep by making some small changes to your bedroom. It's been great to hear the feedback on how our viewers' sleep is improving from integrating the tips from previous videos that we've presented on this topic. In the last video, I talked about how you can adjust your food choices and your timing to improve your sleep. If you've just joined us and you'd like to see the earlier videos from this series, please comment below and we can send you the link. Today, I'm talking about how our sleeping environment can affect our sleep quality. Here are 5 tips to improve your sleep by making some simple changes to your bedroom. Number 1, create a bedroom that encourages sleep, that's relaxing, that you're comfortable in. Number 2, create a bedroom that is dark, quiet, and sits at a cooler temperature. Thirdly, wake up using a sunrise stimulating alarm clock, only if you need an alarm. 4, maintain fresh airflow in your bedroom by opening a door or a window. And number 5, keep your room technology free. Keep phones, TVs, computers out of the bedroom. So, how will you integrate one of these 5 tips into your life to improve your sleep and your health? Comment below on the tip that you feel is a pearl for you. So that was 1, a bedroom that's relaxing. 2, dark, cool and quiet. Number 3, using a sunrise alarm clock. 4, get fresh air throughout the room. And 5, make it tech-free. Thanks for joining me in this video. Check out any early videos you haven't seen yet. I look forward to presenting to you next week with the final video in this sleep optimization series. Take care. Bye for now.